how to connect TikTok Shop to WordPress. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how you will be able to connect our TikTok Shop over here together with our WordPress website over here or WordPress itself. So, to be able to connect these two platforms, there are a very simple way, and one of that is plugins. Plugins can be found inside of WordPress. Over here, as you can see right now in my WordPress website over here or my WordPress dashboard, locate or navigate to plugins option over here on the left side under appearance. Click on add new plugin. After that, simply search for TikTok Shop. Let me add the shop over here. There we go. And then we will be able to see plugins that are related to TikTok Shop over here, as you can see. And the one that we're looking for is the feed for TikTok Shop. This specific plugin will allow us to auto-sync or connect our TikTok Shop right from the app with ease. We will be able to auto-sync up to 10,000 SKU right from the app to our TikTok Shop with just a few clicks, and we will be able to sync the products that we want. Only the products that we want. So if you have a large variety or a large list of products in TikTok Shop and you only want a few products to be transferred into your WordPress, we could choose the specific products that we could transfer. So that's up to us as well. So over here right now, as you can see, let's go back to our plugins over here. Let's install this plugin. As you can see, currently installing. We could also see that this is a very good app, as you can see. Although there are only 8 reviews, but there are over 600 active installations. A lot of people have installed it. So let's click on activate. And over here, as you can see, AfterShip feed. After connecting your TikTok Shop to your WooCommerce store, we can automatically sync product listing and inventory into our TikTok Shop. And then we will be able to manage our orders purchased from TikTok Shop at our WooCommerce admin. So you could now manage your TikTok store inside of WooCommerce after you successfully connected it. And of course, if you want, I think vice versa, that would also work as well. So let's click on start now. As you can see here, this will depend on the one that you're using. But for me, my SSL certificate is not yet configured since my website is not yet fully developed or it's not yet finalized. But it will have that issue. So let's first try to install our WooCommerce over here. Open your plugins, add new plugin, and let's search up WooCommerce over here, or Woo, because it would typically request WooCommerce to be available for us. Over here, WooCommerce install. And WooCommerce is important or like a requirement as well. But if it still does not let me open it, I'm just going to open their website directly. So we have feed over here. Let's open this again, AfterShip feed. Right here. Let me open my After feed directly over here, as you can see. Now, hopefully for you guys, your website won't have issues like what I am experiencing. Because for me, my website is like a brand new random website. It's not a fully developed or it's not a fully dedicated website built to be a store just yet. It's just, I'm just using this website over here to demonstrate how you will be able to connect WooCommerce or your WordPress together with your TikTok Shop. And if your website lacks SSL, this is what it's going to happen. As you can see, there's an issue with the SSL certificate configuration and they will be unable to connect. So please check your SSL certificate settings. So that's something we have to check out. Or for my case, this is something I have to fix. But for you guys, if you're having the same issue, I recommend that you have to fix that first before you try and do what I'm trying to do. But anyway, this is what our AfterShip would look like. After connecting, you will be able to like track your different orders. This is what you're going to see. So this is like the dedicated website of the same plugin that we're checking out earlier. So let's explore the features that you will be able to do in this. Also, there will be some website related plugins or like features that you will be able to implement into your pages or into your website directly. So let's wait for this one. So these are the different features that you will be able to use in the AfterShip plugin. You have the tracking, which will allow you to track, like we mentioned earlier, which will allow you to track your orders from TikTok Shop. And over here, you could also import your shipments. As you can see, you will be able to import, or if there's ongoing shipments inside of your TikTok Shop, you will be able to track it in AfterShip. And of course, if you were able to utilize the version or the plugin in our WordPress over here, you will also be able to manage it directly inside of WordPress as well. And then I think there will be some additional or like website elements that you will be able to add into your website directly in relation to Afterfeed, where the websites or the products that will be displayed in your website are going to be directly taken from your TikTok Shop over here. But anyway, aside from tracking, you could also manage your returns, your popularization, all kinds of features available in our AfterShip over here. You will be able to access, and that's basically what you need to have, the connection between your TikTok Shop. Over here, let me check out the TikTok Shop again. This is where you will be able to actively connect your TikTok Shop together with AfterShip, and the process will allow you to connect it, as you can see. So the first step is to connect your e-commerce store. So that's this one over here. It is recommended that you have your WooCommerce, of course. And after your TikTok or e-commerce store has been connected, you're going to connect your TikTok store, as you can see here. So simply click on connect. Click on wherever your region is, whether it's United States or outside the United States. And then simply authorize the installation or like the integration between the two, as you can see. So let's say Asia seller, Philippines, or wherever your region is or wherever your account has been created in. And you will be able to do such stuff over here, as you can see. I will be redirected to my app store, which will prompt me to install or like authorize the installation over here, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.